Remaining true to the powerful spirits and rhythmic heartbeats of our African nations, we bring you a creative celebration in a space where film and tourism collide in spectacular fashion. Welcome to the International Tourism Film Festival, Africa.
The International Tourism Film Festival is a festival to be able to promote tourism in Africa as well as film in Africa.
And we're saying, stop trying to sell us a product and share an experience with us. Give us something that's immersive and authentic. As it unfolds and opens up, it just becomes this amazing freaking experience.
A first for the festival this year is the introduction of the Young Creative Student Challenge, designed to develop and inspire a new generation of young, passionate African filmmakers.
The International Tourism Film Festival Africa, I think, is a tremendous opportunity to find the young creatives that we can develop going forward.
The Young Students Creative Challenge is a unique opportunity for young filmmakers to actually gain an experience to do a turnkey production from zero to hero.
Why not have them shoot a 1 to 3 minute production promoting tourism in their own backyard?
And tell a story, but find unique angles. Start thinking outside the box and do things in a unique way.
Why don't we acknowledge their excellent achievement at our awards ceremony?
Young Creative Student Award Challenger for 2022.
You guys both shared
To be exposed to some of the most important people in the industry, people from all around the world who produce tourism content, and to showcase it in front of them is probably a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
I think the object of the exercise here for us is to create work opportunities for them and to open doors.
You can benefit and you can prosper.
They didn't do this for the prize. They did this for the journey and for the experience.
And I really like the vision that James and Caroline has to create work opportunities, to bring tourism to South Africa and to interact with the other tourism companies from all over the world.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 4th edition of the International Tourism Film Festival Awards Africa.
You're standing on the stage in front of the lights, receiving the accolades of really important, prominent people who are not only local but global, for something that you've created, and there can be few more exciting once-in-a-lifetime opportunities than that.
And the winner of the Grand Prix Tourism Africa Award goes to Explore Uganda, the Pearl of Africa.
In 2023, I really would like to show off Africa.
Thank you.
Come together and join us in Cape Town on an authentic and immersive experience. Because we've got a beautiful country, we're a great bunch of people. More people should know about this.